Greetings from Bee Barf Apiaries. Hey guys, as you can guess, it has finally started to rain. In the rain, bees tend to cluster near openings. I don't think this is similar to a winter cluster, but it's there to protect the inner layer of bees and keep them warm. I have experienced that when you break these clusters, bees do not tend to be very happy about it. However, the reason I'm filming this now is because as I was watching the hives, I was noticing a lot of small hive beetles coming out of the hives. During the day, when it's sunny, the bees don't tend to cluster near the entrance quite so much. And the small hive beetles have a safe place to go up near the top and hang out in some of the little nooks and crannies that are available to them. Those nooks and crannies right now don't appear to be available at all. There are just so many bees at the entrances and so tightly packed that I don't think there are too many nooks and crannies. So I think that the normal hiding places that the small hive beetles have isn't going to work in a situation like this. So they probably get kicked out. I suspect the moment that the sun returns and the bees break cluster that they will, of course, return. However, it is interesting to watch. You will also note, despite the fact that it's raining, and yeah, it has slowed down a little bit, you will still see bees flying in and out of the entrances of the hives. In some cases rather clumsily so, and they make bad landings and bad takeoffs because their wings are wet. But it certainly has an interesting effect to watch a bee come out and look like it's had too much to drink. I'm going to kind of close in here a little bit if I can. I'm standing about maybe 8 feet away from my hive, kind of in the hopes of giving my bees, you know, a chance to land and take off without me standing directly in front of them. But I may move the camera a little closer. Of course, now that I'm filming it, no small hive beetles, but we appear to be having a small fight or something take place here. Oh yeah, they just took off with another bee. I'm noticing that most of the bees taking off are coming from the corner edges of the entrance. Bees, when they seem to land, seem to go just about anywhere, but the bees that seem to be taking off seem to be coming out of the ends. So, kind of keep an eye on that. There goes another one. for all those ones you see coming into land on the end where I've got the camera pointed, I can tell you there are probably 3 or 4 more that are coming in toward the middle or the right-hand side that are out of range. Ooh, I see a small hive beetle on the bar. Let me see if I can move toward him. See? He got kicked out. He is not welcome. There are a lot less bees coming in and out of the hives now, obviously.